In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Chatgpt error in the message stream. Whether you're experiencing unexpected errors or your session is not functioning as it should, these solutions can help you get back on track in no time. First, let's start by opening Chatgpt. It might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're on the page where the problem is occurring is crucial. Once you're there, the next step is to refresh the page. It's surprising how often a simple refresh can resolve small glitches. So click that refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard and wait for the page to reload. If refreshing the page doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to log out of your account and then log back in. This action can reset your session and clear out any temporary issues that might be causing errors. Simply click on your profile icon, select Log Out, and then sign back in with your credentials. Sometimes, running a VPN or a proxy can cause connectivity issues with certain services, including Chatgpt. So the fourth step is to disable any VPN or proxy you might have running. Check your network settings and ensure that you're not routing your connection through an external server. Once disabled, try accessing Chatgpt again. Internet connectivity can also play a major role in how well websites perform. Double-check your internet connection, and if you're experiencing any slowdown, consider restarting your router. A fresh connection can often resolve issues that seem entirely unrelated. Turn your router off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then switch it back on. Moving on, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help eliminate any stored information that might be affecting the operation of Chatgpt. In Chrome, just go to your settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies, then click Clear Data. If clearing cache and cookies doesn't do the trick, try opening Chatgpt in incognito or private mode. This mode runs the browser without any extensions that might interfere with the site's functionality. Simply bring up a new incognito window and access Chatgpt from there to see if the problem persists. Finally, it's important to check if the issue might be on OpenAI's end. Visit OpenAI's status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or service disruptions. This can provide insight into whether the problem is widespread or specific to your setup. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the Chatgpt error in the message stream. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you restore your experience efficiently.